Let's make some more rain boots today. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and today we are going to make some more rain boots for our spring showers quilt. So today we are going to do rain boots 2. It is one simple block. It doesn't look too bad. This one, we are going to have the rain boots together. It's already all in one block. So let's go ahead and pull out our packet and see what we have for today. So we are going to start, there's lots of little pieces. So we're going to start with our main fabric. So our main fabric is that green. It's like an apple green. And we are going to start with this at 10.5 by 8.5, 10.5 by 8.5. That means it's this way. And then make sure to back this with fusible stabilizer. As you can see, it's a pretty big block. So 10.5 by 8.5, and it is that lime green doodle fabric. And then we are going to do the boots. So the boots are in that really pretty coral silky solid, but then we're going to cover it with that vinyl that we've been using on the other boots. Mine is a little stuck. There we go. All right, so the silky solid, it's like a coral color of silky solid, and then you put the iron-on vinyl on top of that and cover it with the shiny side of the topping, or I guess it's off of the bottom of it, I don't recall, and then put that against the fabric, and then the paper side on top, and we are going to iron that. So both the iron-on vinyl and the boots fabric are 4 by 4.5, 4 by 4.5, and like I said, both the vinyl and the coral color silky solid, 4 by 4.5. All right, and then we have the flowers. So pretty. So these look very simple because they are just stitched on fabric. So the fabric is that cream color silky solid, and that is going to be 5 by 2.5. 5 by 2.5. I did back mine with fusible stabilizer in the creamy silky solid. There's no design on it, just a silky solid. All right, and then we have for the bird, oh, this is cute, a bright yellow bird. So it's that lattice fabric, can you see that? So bright yellow lattice fabric, and it's going to be cut to 3 by 2. I did back it with fusible stabilizer for the bird, 3 by 2. And then we have the bird wing. Oh, there it is. Thought I lost it for a second. All right, it is the gold mustard color in a plain silky solid, and this is just for the wing. So it's 2 by 1.5. I did back mine with fusible stabilizer, 2 by 1.5, no design on it, just a silky solid in a yellow mustard color. And then we have the, oh, we already did the vinyl. All right, and then we have felt for the leaves of the flowers. So the felt is the dark green, let's see, it's called pine embroidery felt, and that we're gonna cut to 4.5 by 2.5 for the felt. Don't back this with anything, leave it as is, felt. That's for the leaves on the flowers. And then the last piece is black embroidery leather. Don't back it, leave it as is. And this is, we're going to write on this. We're not going to write on it, but our embroidery machine is going to write on it. So instead of like doing the wording on felt, we're going to do it on this leather. So that will be nice. So did you see what it says? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It says spring showers on the inside label of the little tag on our boots. That will be so cute, so cute. So black embroidery leather, and that is going to be 3.5 by 1.5. We'll start with it at 3.5 by 1.5 for the black embroidery leather. And like I said, that is to put a little tag on our boots that says spring showers. Very, very cute. All right, and then as always, we are going to quilt this. So we want a piece of batting, and let's see, our final cut size is 8.5 by 6.5. So that means that we want a piece of batting that is 9 by 7. So 9 by 7 for our batting. And then we are going to quilt this. So on this one, I am going to use Orange Peel 2. It's part of the Spring Showers bundle of embroidery designs. Those are a direct download from the Kimberbell website. And so orange peel, it looks like lattice to me. I think that's really cute. So we are going to use the 6x8 design. And if you are rehooping this, so let's see, our final cut size is 8.5 by 6.5. So you could do 2 hoopings of 4x6. 4x6 twice would work. The only thing is this orange peel is an orange design, which means that it will have traveling lines that go into the seams. So you wouldn't want to use this quilting design if you are using a 5x7 hoop, but you could use any of the blue quilting designs for this block. That would work just fine. So for most, it will be the 6x8 quilting design in orange peel. If you are rehooping, you would do 2 designs or 2 hoopings of a 4x6 quilting design in blue. All right, I think that's it for now. Let's go ahead and get started. my shirt today is a bicycle with a lot of wind. So I deal with a lot of wind when I'm out on my bike rides sometimes, especially here in Idaho. It's quite windy. But anyway, it's a cute design. I believe it's from Embroidery Library. I added the word happiness. I will add information. I don't remember which font it is, but I will add it if I figure it out. Pretty cute. And I used variegated thread so that it is like blue and light blue. Pretty fun design. So anyway, I will share information under this video. The shirt is just from my local Fred Meyer.